Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Lowe's. Oh yes guys, in our happy place. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. And this is a Sedum by Proven Winners. Let's see. It is lemon coral Sedum. It is $13.48. It needs full sun to part sun. This one has a mountain trailing effect. It grows for foliage. It gets 3 to 10 inches tall. You need to space it 8 to 12 inches apart. Annual except in zones 7A through 11B, hardy to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. It says fertilize this one regularly for best results and water normal. Okay, so yes guys, this is beautiful. It is already big too. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. Then we have more proven winners perennials, and these are the dianthus. They are $13.48. They have two different ones. The first one is this beautiful red. It is called the fruit punch. Needs full sun. It gets 9 to 11 inches tall. You want to space it 12 to 14 inches apart. Hardy in zones 4 through 9 to minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms early summer, and it is a rebloomer in early fall. Full to part sun. Oh yes, that is pretty. Then they have that one right there, which is the Paint the Town Magenta. Oh yes. So this one, they have the same exact specs, guys. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. I start singing when I get happy, guys. Okay, another Proven Winners perennial, guys. This one is called Spot On. This one needs part shade. It is $13.48. It gets 14 to 16 inches tall. You want to space it 18 to 20 inches apart. Hardy in zones 3 through 9 to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms late spring, and it says part shade to shade. Yes, for Spot On. I love the foliage on this one. It has the speckles. That's really cute. And sweet little pink and purple flower. I love it. Okay, by Proven Winners, guys, is the Cat's Pajamas. Another perennial for $13.48. And all of these containers, guys, they are a 2.5 quart size. Okay, the cat pajama, it needs full sun. It gets 12 to 14 inches tall. You want to space it 18 to 20 inches apart. The zone, hardy in zones 3 through 8 to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms late spring until early fall. Full sun plant. Miss Cat's Pajamas. Oh yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is my banner and logo right now, guys, but I will be changing it very soon, just so you know. Okay, so let's move into some of Lowe's perennials here. And the first one is going to be the Grace Wallflower. Oh my goodness. This one needs full sun, and it is $7.98. It is also a 2.5 quart size. So this is a trailing perennial here. The cold hardiness is minus 10 to minus 20. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 4. The average mature size is 6 inches high and 12 inches wide. You want to space this one 12 inches apart. Grace Wallflower. Okay. Spring Magic Navy and White Columbine, $7.98. So this one, cold hardiness is minus 20 to minus 30. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 3. Average mature size is 14 inches high and wide. You also want to space this one 14 inches apart. And this one is an upright perennial. Oh yes, how beautiful. Just take me home. I sure will. Okay. Look at this one, guys. It has one pink one within the whole purple bunch. They also have it in yellow, which is pretty. Yes. Alrighty, so here, guys, by Lowe's again are the Bordeaux Steel Blue Metal Sage for $7.98. Okay, so this one is an upright perennial. It blooms spring, summer, and fall. It needs 6 hours of direct sun. The zone is 4, non-hardy, -20 to -30 Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 3. The average size is 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. You also want to space it 18 to 24 inches apart and fertilize this one monthly. Beautiful, right? Ah, yes. Look at that purple and that yellow together, or that yellow and that purple together. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee. Okay, guys, another Lowe's plant. This one is a Leonardo compact Leopards B. It is a mountain perennial. This one needs part sun, 3 to 6 hours. I did say it's a mountain perennial, right? Okay, it blooms in the springtime only. I hate when they bloom only once, but yes, it's really pretty. The zone is 4. Cold hardiness is -20 to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 3. Average mature size is 12 inches high and 10 inches wide. You want to space this one 8 to 10 inches apart. Okay. It's beautiful. It just only blooms once, and I hate that. Okay. Powis Castle Artemisa. If I said it right, it is $7.98. Another upright perennial. This one needs full sun. The zone is 5. Cold hardiness, -10 to -20. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 4. Average mature size is 3 feet high and 2 feet wide. You want to space this one 30 inches apart and fertilize this one spring and summer. Here's a closer look on the tag, because I'm sure I did not say it right. Alrighty. So this beauty here, another Lowe's plant. This one is called Jubilee Gold Wallflower for $7.98. It needs full sun. It is an upright perennial. Cold hardiness is 0 to -10 Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 5. Average mature size is 12 to 15 inches tall and wide. You also want to space it 12 to 15 inches apart. She's so pretty. Ooh. Sweetie, sweetie pie. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this beauty here by Monrovia. OMG. So this one is called 4D Purple African Daisy. It needs full sun and it is an annual for $9.98. This is a 2.5 quart size here. So beautiful. Okay, so it needs 6 hours or more direct sun, watering, semi-moist. Mature size is 8 to 12 inches tall and 12 to 16 inches wide. Bloom springtime, and the hardness is to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This is so beautiful. Oh, this one is the... No. Okay, another beauty here by Monrovia. Oh yes, this is the Voltage Yellow African Daisy for $9.98. It needs full sun, and this one is an annual as well. Okay, so this one needs 6 hours plus of sun, semi-moist watering. It gets 10 to 16 inches tall and 24 to 48 inches wide. Bloom spring, summer, and fall. Hardness to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yes, for Miss African Daisy. Oh, how beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, these plants are just so beautiful. Ooh-wee. Okay, guys. This little plant here is called Chocolate Chip Auga. It is $3.48. It needs to be watered only once a week. The hardiness is -30 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. It grows 4 to 12 inches tall and 24 inches wide. This is 1 pint size, and this one is $3.48. Oh yes, beautiful. They also have the creeping wire vine for $3.48. This is a ground cover here. It needs part sun. This one blooms in the summer and the fall. It gets 2 inches tall and 6 inches wide. Okay. And one of my favorites is right here by Monrovia, guys. This one is Golden Moneywort. Okay, this one is for $98. It needs part sun, and it is a ground cover. This one gets 6 inches tall and 24 inches wide. It blooms in the summertime, and hardiness is -30 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Erosion control, easy care. Okay. All my vloggers out there, if you're out in the public doing what I'm doing, you have to have all your senses together and be very aware of your surroundings, not only with your eyes, with your ears, your feelings and all of that, because sometimes you get people that follows you for whatever reason. So just be careful, because I have that problem sometimes when I'm out vlogging, especially all you women. Be careful. I have a stalker right now, but I'm very aware of, what's going on. Just so I thought I'd tell you guys that. Okay, so moving right along. Let's see here. We have more. Moving on to this one here, guys. Now these dianthus, these are annuals here, and these are $198. This is a pint size here. It says tolerates frost. It gets 8 to 24 inches tall and 8 to 24 inches wide. It needs full sun. And yeah, it says grow 3 together when planting these. So they have this one, that beautiful magenta, that red and white, light pink, and that one. Okay. This is a... Oh my goodness, guys. Seems like I just need to go because this is getting creepy. This is getting creepy. Let me just try one more spot to see if they'll stop following me. Let me go over here. I was going to come over here to Shrubs anyway. So, let's see. Okay. Ooh. Alrighty, guys. So these are by Lowe's here, and these are the oak leaf hydrangeas. They are $28.98. It is in a 2.25 gallon pot. This one blooms only in the summertime. Oak leaf hydrangea. Oh, it is so beautiful. So this one gets 5 feet tall and 5 feet wide. You want to space it 5 feet apart. Zone 5, cold hardness is -10 to -20. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 4. Fertilized in spring and the summertime. Okay. Okay, now this one is by Proven Winners, and this one is the Limelight. It is $29.98. Yes, so this one is in a, what size pot is this one? This one is in a 2 gallon pot. And we all love the Miss Limelight. Oh, so beautiful. So this one needs 6 hours or more of sun. The zone is 3 to 9. Oh, God. I'm sorry. It gets 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 6 to 8 feet apart. And what else? That's all I can say about this. Guys, I'm going to have to cut this video off because I'm not feeling so safe. So let me get my pictures and let me cut it off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.